Hello again. Now that we learned what Web3XShare is, we can dive into the app itself. I will do my best to guide you through this exciting journey of data sharing self-custody and teach you how you can transfer files securely without the risks of data mining and data ownership loss. Built on the EMU3 and Pollination X infrastacks, the Web3XShare app represents one of the key use cases showing the way towards self-custodial, future peer-to-peer, on-chain communication. I'm sure that questions are popping up left and right, but don't worry, we will address them step by step. This tutorial will be segmented into 4 parts. We will learn how to connect to the app, how to mint the Pollination X storage NFTs, how to transfer some files, and we will learn how to receive them. Let's first connect to the app. Visit W3XShare.com and click the Connect button. At this stage, let's clarify that the Web3XShare is a blockchain-based application that needs a Web3 wallet to work. Choose your wallet connection method, confirm the terms, and connect to the app. Choose your chosen blockchain network and confirm the action with your wallet. At this stage, I would like to point out that we are adding new EVM blockchains every month, so check the supported blockchain list in the project documentation. Let's turn our focus on Pollination X decentralized storage NFTs, but before getting started, fund your wallet with the native token of the underlying blockchain network. Processes within the app need gas to execute transactions. The Web3XShare is supported by Pollination X decentralized storage NFTs. By utilizing decentralized storage NFTs, you control the storage of your communication data. You can mint your storage NFTs according to your storage needs. NFT also includes a predetermined file upload bandwidth capacity. If you run out, you can always mint more. Click the Mint NFT button and confirm the transaction with your wallet. After concluded minting process, your decentralized storage NFT is available. NFTs are available and programmed with predetermined storage and bandwidth capacity and can be minted according to specific needs. The Web3XShare app empowers you to send and receive end-to-end encrypted data file packages, protecting against all sorts of cyber attacks. It's completely resistant to data mining and data ownership loss. Okay, let's get started. Let's drop some files in the Add New File frame. After the drag and drop process, you can see your files on the left. Add or remove them according to your needs. On the right, you can see the transfer data form. The sender's wallet address is automatically filled in as it represents your wallet address. The recipient's address is his or her wallet address. We are adding ENS support to the stack, so don't worry, user-friendly addresses are coming. Just to note, the sender and recipient must be on the same blockchain, as cross-chain data transfers are not supported. Yours and the receiver's emails are needed to exchange the data transfer download link. You can also include a title and message accompanying the data file transfer. After filling out the form, we can transfer the files, but before we do that, let's learn more about the encryption and the Pollination X decentralized storage NFTs. The data files are encrypted and uploaded to decentralized storage which you alone control with your wallet private key via Pollination X storage NFTs. There is no limit to the size of your data transfer. The only metric is the storage NFT size. For example, if you own 1 GB NFT, you can share up to 1 GB in data file size. Your wallet-to-wallet communication is secured natively by the AES-256 GCM encryption algorithm. A random secret key is generated to encrypt content which is shared between your sender and data recipient wallet. The recipient obtains the secret key from you using an external communication of your choice and can use it to decrypt the content. There are 2 options to share the secret key with the data recipient. You can select the Copy Secret Key option and share it with the data recipient via external communication of your choice. This is similar to the 2-factor authentication practices you are already used to. Or go with the Sent to Recipient option, where the secret key is automatically sent to the recipient's email address as a part of the unique file download link. I'm going with the Copy Secret Key option. In both cases, only the secret key is not enough to decrypt the transfer data file package. The recipient wallet private key is also needed. Okay, with that out the way, let's transfer some files. Let's hit the transfer button and when available, confirm the transaction with your wallet. You can follow the file transfer processes as they execute. At this point, I would like to state one more time that sharing data files via Web3XShare comes free of data mining and is resistant to data ownership loss. You as a user are in complete control over your encrypted data. You and you alone control the encryption and storage of private keys. Because every data file transfer package is represented as a blockchain transaction, your communication is on-chain, confirmable, and immutable. You can always prove your transfer by searching for your data file transfer transaction in the Blockchain Explorer. As for the recipient, he or she only needs a Web3 wallet and a secret key. No gas is needed to decrypt and download the data file packages. Okay, we covered the basics of the Web3XShare app. Feel free to explore and discover all the app features and functionalities. While the user experience may seem natural to Web3 native users, it may also seem very complicated for all others that are not familiar with blockchains, wallets, or gas. Let me clarify that this is the first phase and that we are already building a version of the app which will enable simplified subscription-based onboarding, abstracting Web3-related complexities. The digital data we generate every day powers the internet, fueling Web2 communication platforms and AI. Protecting your data is essential. By maintaining control over your data, you safeguard ownership and enhance your security in the expansive realm of the metaverse. That's it, guys. Thanks for sticking it to the end. For more information, visit us at W3XShare.com.